All right, I want to show you an update on this gorgeous garden makeover that we created less than 2 months ago. We planted this at the very beginning of May, and it is now only like the second or third, this is the third week of June. And look at this thing. So we are looking at about 6 or 7 weeks of growth in this garden. I want to show you all the things that are taking off and doing so well here. Let's start on this end. So first up, we've got this huge squash. And look at all the squash growing in these plants. I mean, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 5 squash just right here on these plants. We've got loads of sage, we've got angelonia, we've got some gorgeous veronica, some salvia. We've got these hot peppers starting to form. Look at these jalapenos. They look so great and healthy. Then we've got these beans. Look at the bush beans that are forming on the edge of the bed. We've got a little bit more squash here in the center. And then we've got more peppers. So look at these peppers. We've got all these little jalapenos. And then these bush beans are just right here in the middle. More bush beans on the side. Then we start our okra plant. So we've got this okra just starting to form its first little fruits. And then we've got a couple more peppers. Look at all the fruit on these plants. I mean, they are just fantastic. Look at this huge bush bean plant, y'all. You can grow bush beans on such a small part of your garden. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. Now we get to the fun part. We're at the arch trellis. Well, let's be honest, the whole thing is fun. We've got this cucumber vine that is growing right up the edge of the arch trellis, almost at the top. And then we have tomato plants on the other side. And now let's go around to the front of the bed and see what's over there. So we've got more squash. We got a tomatillo right here. Hasn't started to form a lot of fruit yet, but here on the front, we've got these bell peppers that are just producing so much. We've got this Thai basil, this gorgeous flowers in the front, angelonia. We've got this beautiful kale. This is my favorite kind of kale. We've got some more bell peppers forming. Look at this. Now we've got some Swiss chard that looks so lovely. Lots of bush beans here on the outside. We've got some more bell peppers. We've got parsley, more beans. And then here at the front, we've got our tomato that is making its way all the way up the trellis, almost to the top side of the vertical part. And then we've got a first okra flower right here. Look how beautiful okra flowers are. They're like hibiscus family, so they just have such a loveliness to them. We've got some dill there in the center, an eggplant that's struggling, but we won't talk about that. Now let's go to this side. It's a mirror of the other. We've got cucumbers going up the trellis. We've got this gorgeous tomato. Look at the little fruits that are starting to form. We've got this great sage, bush beans. We've got salvia, more bush beans. Look how great bush beans grow on the side of the bed. I mean, they're just awesome. Over here, lots more bell peppers. These plants are really getting nice and tall. We've got bush beans here. We've got Swiss chard. This okra plant is really starting to fruit. You can see the first forms of the fruit here. We've got kale. We've got some more peppers. Loads of bell peppers forming. Huge, huge squash right there in the center of the bed. Lots more basil and flowers, and then loads of bush beans here on the side. Let me show you how they just hang off this side. This really is the perfect thing to grow right on the side of your bed like this. So awesome, right? So this kitchen garden is what we created inside the Kitchen Garden Academy course. We show you the step-by-step to build this whole kitchen garden, fill it up, and plant it exactly this way. So if this kitchen garden inspires you, then you've got to check out the Kitchen Garden Academy. You can learn more about the course down below this video and get on the wait list so that you know when the doors open next.